What's going on, everybody? It's that sports dude, Chris Dunlap, and right now I have joining me here. I have Diane Bloodworth from Scout Smart. Is an online scouting app and program that will help you guys get these offers and be able to get that next opportunity on the next level. So Diane, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks, Chris. I appreciate you having me.
No problem, no problem. When I spoke with you a few weeks back, I knew that I had to have you on for an interview just so we can get this information out about the great things that you all do over at Scout Smart. So first thing I want to ask, for anyone who is not familiar with Scout Smart or hasn't heard of it before, what is it that you all do, and what is Scout Smart just overall?
Sure. So Scout Smart is recruiting analytics platform, and what we do is we help college football coaches from D1 down to D3 NAIA. It doesn't matter, all levels of play. We help them find recruits that will fit their program. And we look at the on-field performance, their stats, their athletic ability. We also look at academics and other factors, and then the coach can customize it and find recruits that really fit.
Oh wow, oh wow. So, and one thing that you spoke about that I thought was really intriguing is that it's free of cost to student athletes and the high school coaches. Am I right?
You are correct. Our program is a subscription service. It's approved by the NCAA, and we sell to the college program. So they're paying for access to all of these analytics. It is free for all high school players to be in our Scout Smart database. We believe in a level playing field, and we want everyone to be able to be included.
I love that. I love that. Especially coming from an area that most would say isn't, on a level playing field. We don't get
Mhm.
as much as much recruiting heat, as much coverage as some of the places like Texas and Florida, etc. So I just love to
Right.
hear you all believe in that. And you mentioned the college programs pay you guys for the information. So how many college programs utilize Scout Smart as a resource?
Yeah, we're still building. We send data out to about 100 college, 100 coaches every week. Now we have fewer paid subscribers than that, but we're getting data in the hands of a number of coaches. And then we have some programs that have been using us for a while. New Mexico State is one. They've helped
Oh,
us and helped us pilot and really kind of figure out what coaches are looking for so that we can continue to iterate and improve Scout Smart.
awesome, awesome. So for the high school coaches, because that's the majority of my following, in addition to
Yeah,
parents and student athletes, how can they utilize Scout Smart to get more exposure for their student athletes? Kind of go in depth of how that works, kind of tips and tools of it.
certainly. So we love to work with the high school coaches because we feel very good about the data that we're getting. It's verified data. The height and weight, the GPA, there's a little more credibility to it. So the high school coach can send us their prospect sheet. If they have an Excel spreadsheet or some type of prospect sheet, they can send that to us and we'll upload that into Scout Smart and build the profiles. And then we'll tweet about on at Scout Smart underscore. We'll tweet about one or two of their players on their team to give them a little shout out too. And then we also pick players each week. I told you we send out emails to about 100 coaches. We pick 3 players each week. So their players might be selected for that. That's a little behind the scenes, but we do that since the college coaches are our customers. Now, if you're a high school coach or an athlete and you don't have a prospect sheet or you would rather the players do it themselves, we have a mobile app and we have a web link where the players can go in and create their profile. And in the mobile app, they can also update their profile. So if they've grown an inch over the summer or gained 30 pounds or their GPA went up or down,
Right,
it all happened. Life happens, right?
right,
So, or
right.
their contact information change. I see a lot of Twitters changing out there, guys. I don't know what you're doing, but this Twitter's no longer active. So make sure that we always have good information. I think it's so important for these guys to understand, don't make it hard for coaches to find you.
Right, very true, very true. Trying to keep everything the same throughout, especially throughout your high school career. Once you get into college, then
Yeah,
you can maybe make some changes and have a little fun.
yeah, yeah.
But making it easy, that's a great, great point. And for let's say for someone who maybe isn't that um, technical savvy or
Mhm.
technology savvy, is it really user friendly? Is it pretty easy to set up a profile and get put the information in and stuff like that?
Yeah, I think it is. Our recruit app is called Scout Smart Recruit,
Hmm.
and we actually have gotten some feedback on it that it could be better, and we've had a few problems with it. So just being real honest with you, you and I talked about this. Technology is always interesting. So we're in the process of redoing that. In the next 30 days, we'll be launching an updated app, and it will be even easier to use for them to make sure that we have all of their important information. And in that new app, we're also going to put links to resources that they can use for recruiting. We did a program in the fall. I think I told you about Pivot to Play. And we
Yes,
had
yes,
all these
yeah.
guest speakers, including Jeff Fisher from High School Football America, where he talks about how do you deal with the media. So we're going to put links in that mobile app to excerpts of those sessions so that all these recruits will have access to those advisors and the recommendations on what they should do in recruiting.
Awesome, awesome. Now, again, you said you working with the high school coaches is good. You have that verified data and updated data. And for that, and speaking to that list that you all send to
Mhm.
the college coaches every week, if a coach wants to get their student athlete on that list that you and your team create and email to these scouts and these college programs, what is it that they need to do?
Yeah, they could just reach out to us, email, Twitter, through our website, and just make sure we have all the data on this recruit. We need GPAs in order to be able to send out these guys. We'd like to have their stats as well. We do a stat score where we compare them by position with all the other players in that position in the country. So they're getting a stat score. So unless you're an offensive lineman, we'd like to get your stat right, and then we just need to know your height and weight, right?
Right.
We allow coaches to go in. They could go in and search in the District of Columbia for all offensive linemen who are graduating 2022 who are more than 6'3" and more than 275
Oh,
pounds. So we
that's
allow,
big.
and that's from coach feedback. That's what these college coaches want. And in fact, we had kind of the flip of that this week. We had a smaller program up in the Northeast, and they're not a client yet, so I won't mention their name, but they have a weight limit. So they're looking for guys who are a little bit smaller. So they're searching on the other end of that scale. So it's really good for us to have all of that data, and so the coaches, can find you. But to get in that weekly email, we need a really complete profile, and it needs to be somebody that's going to be able to play at the next level, so that it's going to appeal to our coaches. But like I said, there's a whole range of coaches, so there's a good chance if you're playing in high school, if you're starting in high school, there's a good chance you could make that list.
All right, Diane. So for any parents, coaches, student athletes, or other broadcasters like myself, we have a pretty good group of high school broadcasters in the DC area. If they
Yeah.
want to get in contact with you to maybe send you information on their players, or upcoming players that they know may be able to make an impact and make that list and other things like that. How do they get? Is it okay if they get in contact with you? And if so, how do they do so?
Yes, we would love to hear from them. There's several options. Our Twitter, as I mentioned before,
Mhm.
is at scoutsmart_. You can follow us and DM us on Twitter. Our email is scoutsmart@competitivesportsanalysis.com. And our website is scoutsmartrecruiting.com.
Awesome, awesome. So you all hear that? The platform is there. All you have to do is send in your information if you want to create a profile. The opportunity is right there for you. And Diane and her team do a great job. Actually, over the past couple of weeks, have been going to their Twitter page and to their website. It's really in depth stuff that they do. So it's a great opportunity for you guys. So please, please, please take advantage. So I know you mentioned, and we even talked about this before, that you all do seminars and recruiting events. So do you have any of those on the horizon or coming up in the next couple months or so?
We don't have anything in the next couple of months. We are, as I mentioned, adding the previous seminars. We're adding links to those YouTube videos to our website and to our Recruit app. But that's a good point, Chris. And we're going to need to get something on the calendar. Maybe you can help us come up with a good idea. How about that?
Oh, I'd love to. I'd love to. Anything that
Yeah.
student athletes. So yeah, you got me there. I'm on your team. So
Awesome.
before I let you go, Diane, I appreciate you so much for joining me, and the work that you all do at Scout Smart. Um, would you like to give a few words of encouragement to our student athletes? During this trying and challenging time. You got
Yeah.
some areas who haven't had a season and may not get a season, unfortunately. You got any words of encouragement for the student athletes?
Yeah, I do. I mean, and I know what it feels like to be an underdog, right? I mean, when I started this business, there are a lot of people that said, "Who do you think you are to build a recruiting analytics company in this space?" So I certainly know what it feels like to be an underdog and to have challenges. But I say, let that drive you, guys. It's time to work harder and be smarter about it too. So make sure your Twitter or any contact information you have is very clear and easy for coaches. Make sure that you're not just DMing coaches and saying, "Hey, check out my huddle." Tell them why they should take a look at your huddle. We get lots of DMs like, "Check me out, check me out." Guys, give it a little more thought. Tell them something that's unique about you, special about you, both your athletic ability and your character. I'm telling you right now, these college coaches, they're looking for guys who not only fit their program athletically and are going to help them win, but because of all the changes, they've been affected by the pandemic too, and a lot of guys are leaving programs. So they're looking for guys who will stay in their program. So you need to communicate to these coaches what it is about your character, what it is about your grit that is going to make you the right recruit for that program. Do your homework. Know that program. Don't just be blind sending out huddle links. Think about where you really want to go, where you really think you have a chance to get in and play, and think about what comes after football. Think about that education too, and where you're going to get the right education that you can be successful after football too. So that might be more than you were asking for.
No, that was absolutely perfect. Especially the point where life after football. We see a lot of players in the NFL, after NFL, and they run into trouble. And I just see it in the NFL and in all, areas of sports and of life,
Mhm.
run into
Yeah.
trouble. So Diane, that was a great point, and I think a perfect place to wrap up there. Again, if anybody wants to get in contact with you, just one more time for their hearing, how do they do so?
Certainly. Our Twitter is at ScoutSmart_. They can email us at scoutsmart@competitivesportsanalysis.com. And our website is scoutsmartrecruiting.com. Love to hear from you guys.
Awesome. Well, again, that is Diane Bloodworth from Scout Smart. Again, I tell you, you guys go and take advantage of it. Check out the website and their Twitter account. They do a great job promoting student athletes, and I really do believe that it'll be a blessing to this area, this DC area, especially DCIAA student athletes that I cover. So please, guys, take advantage of it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and of course, you have Diane's all their contact information. Please reach out if you have any questions or comments or concerns. But again, Diane, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you.
Thank you, Chris, for the opportunity.